back, gamers. Today we playing some Minecraft. We going to be doing a challenge a fan made. The challenge is if I see a village I play the villager's sound effect, then end video. If you have ideas to comment some below. Also subscribe, like and press the notification button down below. Now let's get into the video, but first I need to lock down my house before I go on an adventure. In this video I'm try and find something unusual, hope I do. Wanna see something? It looks like a village.
Bored kid.
Join the link.
Cool kid.
Join the
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 Cool kid.